Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter Fastboot mode. Firstly, let's talk about Fastboot. Fastboot mode on Xiaomi devices is special boot mode that allows you to flash firmware, unlock the bootloader, or perform system-level modifications using computer. It is part of the Android bootloader interface, and it is useful for advanced troubleshooting, software recovery, and installing custom ROMs. In order to enter Fastboot mode, firstly restart your tab. Now, while resetting, press and hold power button and volume down button. Keep holding until you see Fastboot. Fastboot mode is now enabled. Now connect your device to PC via USB for further commands using Fastboot tools. To leave Fastboot mode, press and hold power button for about 10 seconds. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.